Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and Bosch has just announced that they have sold 50 million of these Daredevil Spade Bits in less than 5 years. Now to celebrate that, we are going to do a 50 for 50 Daredevil giveaway, giving away 50 of these Daredevil kits to 50 different people. Now to get into this giveaway, it's very simple, but hang out for a minute. In November 2013, Bosch came out with these new spade bits. They put a fully threaded cone tip on these to make them go into the wood faster, and they contoured the paddles a little bit to help the chips and the dust come out of the hole faster to get these things to go in. They're made from a 1/4 inch up to 1.5 inches. They come in different lengths. I have a 6 inch here. They have a 4-inch stubby. They also have some longer ones for electricians, plumbers, and any other tradespeople out there who are in construction. I know some guys in woodworking that also use these bits. They are awesome. Now this contest is open to anyone in USA and Canada, and due to the amount of winners in this and just logistics, we're gonna change up this giveaway a little bit. First, you're gonna have to go back to the link in our description to WorkshopAddict.com. We're gonna have to have entries go in through Rafflecopter. So there's gonna be some different ways for you to get in. It's gonna be easy. Pick a couple ways you can get in, refer some friends, have some fun with it, and let's give away a ton of these bits. Now, make sure that you follow us on social media also and help us spread the word that this giveaway is out here. This is a lot of bits to give away, and we want everyone possible to have their chance at it. We always appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like in this video. Have a good day.